Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got a pretty cool unboxing. They are some spinners from a friend of mine, Gavin from Dynamic Inertia, the YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to his channel up here. So yeah, he sent me a package. Well, this came from Melanie from EDC Fidget. She also reviewed these. So yeah, now he sent them to me and we're gonna unbox it and review them. I'm gonna open it off camera. Alright, there we go. Melanie packed those pretty well. So what I also want to do actually, before I open this, I want to show you guys my other bar spinners, because these are two bar spinners. This is the first one. It's a 3-layer cube, or 3-body cube, I think it's called. You guys can watch the unboxing here that I did on it. So yeah, I love this thing. It's small and nice. So yeah, and then we got this thing, the Maggie Worship. I think I gotta tighten the screws on this thing, but yeah. These things extend when you guys spin them. Pretty cool. And then this is the Viper with tungsten balls. That's my first spinner ever. So yeah, that's that. Then we got the Ethereal spinner. Pretty cool. And then the M3 in polished stainless steel. So yeah, I love these spinners. So we're gonna compare them and see which one is the best. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got in here. All right, so I'm gonna read this first. Flux brass body, full stainless steel bearing, titanium buttons, titanium beads, small weights. These pieces are marked for best balance. Fuse solid bronze, cap B, full, let's say, ceramic bearing. These spinners are some special rare birds. Please be careful with each piece. No drops, no metal on metal contact, please. All right, no problem. Let's try these out. So I'm gonna take them out one by one. I'm gonna try this one first. This is titanium buttons, titanium beads. Wait, what's this? Stainless steel ball weight. So the balls are stainless steel. The body is brass. Yeah, brass body, titanium buttons, and then stainless steel ends. Okay, what are these? Titanium beads and caps. So yeah, these are titanium as well. So yeah, all right, let's try it out. All right, here's a close-up first of all. Look at that thing. And then I'll also compare these things and see how they are. Okay. Gonna be careful with these. I'm gonna make sure not to drop these at all, even on this thing. I don't want to spin these too hard. Okay, so the way I usually spin it is this way, and it doesn't really work that well because the way I hold them, as you guys can see here, I hold them pretty close like this, and I spin it like that. And on these spinners, there's no contact with my thumb and the body, but since these balls are coming above the buttons, they kind of get stuck on my thumb and stuff. So the best way to do this is this way, so that they don't make contact with my thumb. Yeah, man, I really love this thing. Can't imagine this with some tungsten ends. Weights, I mean, Gavin, I think you can make some yourself, no? But yeah, I like this thing so much. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna want to be really careful not to drop this. These are Gavin's special spinners that he doesn't want to damage at all. Hey, look at that, the warp on this, even indoors. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's take this apart and see what's inside. So there you go, the bearing is in there. I believe that's a hybrid bearing, yeah. Alright, now, yep, that's what I thought. You can unscrew the ends and then put them in separate slots so that they don't make contact, Gavin. I know you're watching this. These were already making contact inside the bag, so yeah. Alright, let's try this. There you go. Alright. Put these over here. Oh yeah. This feels like crazy light. But it's in a good way, if you know what I mean. Surprised I can get a warp in here. Usually I'm not able to get warps indoors. I guess that works. But yeah. Way easier to spin. Let me see if I can do it this way. There you go. A little bit of wobble, but not too much at all. It's like only at the beginning when I let off with my thumb. I will not be carrying these at all. These are going back in the box after I'm done using them. And if I want to use them again, I'll just be really, really careful. I don't know, I kind of like this more. By the way, this flicking method I learned from Gavin himself. It's a pretty cool way. It's a pretty cool way to spin them. Usually, you guys see the normal flick like that. But from Gavin's videos, I learned this trick. It's where you put it with your middle finger and your thumb. Then you flick it like that. Like this. It works a lot easier with lighter spinners. With heavier, you need to get a bit more focus and stuff. All right, this is nice, man. Oh yeah, I definitely like it with the titanium ends. And I think the brass, what's it called? These little brass ends do help with the weight a bit, for sure. God, I really love this thing. All right, I'm gonna put this down here now, like that. Put the weights here. Usually I would milk this to 2 videos because there's 2 different spinners. But I think I'll just do them both in 1 video. All right, there we go. Here we got the bronze fuse. All right. Oh, actually, before I do that, I need to weigh this thing. So 0 with the titanium ends, 37 grams. Put on these stainless steel ones real quick. I already forgot. I'm so bad. I'll just put in the screen whatever it was for the titanium ones. And then 59 for the stainless steel ends. Alright, that's pretty nice. Okay. Now we're gonna put this away. Bring this back. Put this here. Put these over here. Fix that. And now we can get into the fuse. Alright. Here are close-ups. Looks amazing. God, I really wish they made this in titanium. I mean, tungsten. Look at that thing. So as you guys know, I'm not a patina metal guy, but recently, I don't really mind them. It's like, alright, whatever. They smell, deal with it. They're great to spin. So yeah, here it is on the inside. I know I'm opening it up before I even spin it. Almost dropped that, but I didn't. Oh, these are number 2 here. Number 39. SDBC. There you go. Full ceramic bearing too. It's pretty cool. Funny enough, I've never tried a ceramic bearing at all. It's my first time. Alright, let's see. So it's tight on there. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Now I can't. So when I first spun this thing, I like this better, but now I don't know. Maybe it's because of the bearing. I have no idea. I wonder. Hope Gavin doesn't get mad at me for doing this. To try these buttons on this. These are titanium buttons. Let's try it. No, wait, they don't fit. Do they fit? No, they don't. Never mind. All right. All right, let's put this back together. All right, now we gotta put this away. $62 grams, so this is heavier than the other one. Well, I mean, obviously it's bronze. All right, bring these back. Oh yeah, this is just really nice to spin. Let's compare these two. Yeah, these are better than this for sure. So what I'm gonna do now is just compare it to all the other ones. Maybe if I do it with my left hand. So I like the M3 more than this, the bronze one. But I like this more than this one, for sure. Sorry, Gavin, but this is better than the bronze one for me. But this is better than this, for sure. I don't know. I think this is better. This is better. And I'm just doing the bar spinners, by the way, for this video. Comparing it, because these are bars. I'm gonna put these further away. The feel, I like this more, but the sound, I like this more. Yeah, this definitely I like more. So the Flux with either buttons beats all the other ones I have, and then this one beat almost all the other ones I had. I don't know, maybe I just need to spend more time with this thing. Let me see how good the balance is. It's good. I just can't. Yeah, I think for me, it's definitely the Flux that's better. Let me put back the titanium weights. Yeah. This is my favorite setting for sure. For the titanium Flux, it's better for me to launch it this way with my middle and thumb. With my middle finger and my thumb. But for the fuse, Sorry guys, I'm trying to think. Alright, I've made up my mind. It is definitely the Flux that I like better. I think it's because the weight, because the buttons are lightweight. And the ends are also not that heavy. You can just flick it easier, more fidgetable. Yeah, definitely the Flux for me with the light weights. But even with the heavy weights, I still like the Flux better. You guys can see the insides of these. Pretty cool stuff. But yeah, thank you Gavin for sending these. I mean, they're both really, really good. Can't imagine this thing in dub. Dub, like, is tungsten, by the way, for those of you that don't know. But I definitely prefer the Flux, lightweight. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Also, go check out Gavin's channel. I'll leave it down below. And yeah, before I leave you guys, I'm gonna put these away. I'm gonna put it back exactly how it was. So good. Put this in here. Put these in these bags. Alright, and that's how they came. Alright, and then that's that. And I believe I'm sending these to Sean Dumas afterwards in a couple days. So I'm gonna be putting these back like this. I forgot how these came in already. Push all the air out. And there you go. And then I'm gonna close these up. And there you go. Thank you Gavin for sending these over, letting me check these out. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and make sure to check out Gavin's channel as well. And see you guys in the next one.